Alright, I'm about to do a Roger impression. Well, it doesn't really sound like Roger, but alright. Yeah, do you know what you're about to do right now? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Ooh, if you feel that, if you do right now, baby, oh yeah. If funky tonight. If funky tonight. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby.
I don't know how this one goes. Oh yeah, do you know what you wanna do right now? Oh yeah.
This is for my idol, Quiksilver Caddy. Probably has, but let's make the music keyboard for you, baby. Drop that beat, somebody. Make the music. Make the music. Make the music with your mouth. Make the music. Make the music. Make the music with your mouth.
Yo, sing the monkey, man.
Yo,
where's the monkey
I'm
at?
dropping that monkey. Give me that monkey. Yeah.
Monkey beatbox.
Yeah. Yeah. Excuse me, dude.